CMD, Microtech International Private Limited, New Delhi.
Greetings from Microtech to the esteemed audience. First and foremost, we are very proud to be associated with SoftDisk, which was started in January 1989 as a small regular computer training general peripheral supply firm, fulfilling the basic needs of general computer enthusiasts. Today, SoftDisk growth is an example for us. Dr. Sai took the magazine from ACP and renamed it SoftDisk to make it an industry-oriented magazine in early 1990s. After that, the magazine never looked back. SoftDisk is celebrating the 29th SD Award ceremony. Every year, the first Saturday of December is celebrated as UPS cum Solar Day. It is a big occasion for SoftDisk and its team, and we wholeheartedly congratulate Dr. Sai, who is highly qualified yet very humble person. He is the face behind the success of SoftDisk, and his efforts resulted in SoftDisk becoming a well-established name in the industry. My friends, COVID has affected the whole country and business sector badly, and the power industry is no different. Though April-June quarter of the current year, the Indian economy was up by 20.04%. During that time, the power electronic industry was growing by only 2.14%. Today, Microtech is a well-known brand in power product market of India and the world. As a company, we have carved a niche for ourselves because of our capability of making reliable and latest technology products. Our products are world-class, and all our products are now being made world-class so that we are able to sell them globally. At present, Microtech has a myriad of products starting from power backups solutions, home UPS, online, line interactive UPS, to solar solutions, voltage solutions, electrical solutions, e-vehicle chargers, surge and lightning protectors, to healthcare products and services. In healthcare products, Microtech wants to become number one in next 5 years, and we want to do a turnover of around 5,000 crores and create import substitutes and make India Atmanirbhar in healthcare sectors. I also feel that the industry is bound to grow, electronics and healthcare both, as more and more to make in India initiatives. We are definitely with the theme of our honored Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi to make India Atmanirbhar, and Microtech and its entire team is committed to make India a Atmanirbhar nation, pride, self-fulfilling and poverty-less people, and flourishing and ever-growing India. In spite of the challenges posed by the sector due to COVID, we at Microtech have taken new initiatives in healthcare products. We have made more than 15,000 oxygen concentrators of 10-liter capacity and supplied to Government of India under its PM Care Yojana and supplied to ONGC. We have also exported our products to foreign countries, and now all the variants are being made for exports. We are looking forward to create more such milestones while growing forward in the healthcare industry. Microtech is working to make dialysis machine, ultrasound machine, ICU monitor, etc. in near future. I would say, friends, SoftDisk deserves all congratulations for serving the industry for over 3 decades and uninterruptedly bringing the true facts of the power electronic industry. It is the only magazine where you find unbiased data, and it acts as a Bible of the industry for users and manufacturers alike. We once again congratulate Dr. Sai and SoftDisk team for their regular efforts year after year. We as the Microtech family wish him all the best in his future endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all recent updates.